3 of Elevate 1 program. This is the Jackknife tutorial. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's a lot like our other spins where we're coming out and around. So the hips are going away from the pole while the leg comes back to the pole, and I'm hooking the outside heel on the other side of the pole for my body. So the outside leg swings around in a circle, hooks the heel, outside hand comes around and grabs the pole. So it's really important that you think about moving in a circular motion, because then you'll get and gain more momentum with your spin without having to muscle through it. So think about the leg and the arm swinging around in a circle and then grabbing and hooking on the pole instead of just grabbing without any circular motion. So inside arm will be high, and remember your biceps are lifted up, so that's going to externally rotate through your shoulder and grab the pole high. That way, when you're in that position, you can engage through the lats, through the serratus anterior, not just your hand and not just your arm. So your whole body's helping you to lift yourself up. Your shoulders out of your ear, biceps are lifted, inside foot steps forward, outside leg and arm come to the pole, hook the heel, and then as you take flight, the trailing leg, which was your inside, then lifts up, straightening the leg by activating your quad. So let's do it again. So your inside foot steps forward, inside hand grabs high, bicep lifted, and your outside leg swinging around, grab the pole, hook your heel, lift your leg, and finish your spin by landing on the balls of your feet. Good, one more time on this side. Inside steps forward, grab high, biceps lifted, engage through your core, through your back, grab the pole, hook your heel, lift the other leg, and breathe the whole time. All right, let's try it on the other side of the body. Make sure you do both sides. Breathe, inhale. Rise up on the balls of your feet, step forward, outside hand and foot come around, lift the opposite leg, and to finish out, continue the spin as your leg comes down to land, yes? So just allow your body and your legs to follow that centrifugal force or the force of a circle. Breathe, try it one more time. Land on your toes, pivot out. Keep the momentum going. Good, I hope that's helpful. That is your jackknife. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.